Hey guys, it's Steven with Cool and Twisting, and in this video we're going to be making Mario. So, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with the red and the blush. Okay? So let's go ahead and set this one back aside. And the blush, you don't need much of it, but I inflated it so it had about a 4 to 5 finger tail. Okay? We're going to start with a small bubble, about a 1 to 2 finger bubble, 1-inch bubble. And we're going to pull the knot and pinch twist that. Okay? Then we're going to go ahead and make a 4 finger bubble right there. That's going to be his head. We're going to start with a 4 finger bubble. We're going to make another small bubble. Bring it on his side, pull it out, and twist it. So we have another pinch twist. Okay? We're going to take this part and bring it back to this. Twist it right there. Bring this back to here. Squeeze it and twist it. And we're going to do one more time right here. We'll bring it over. Squeeze it and twist it. Alright, we can go ahead and get rid of this part, but hold on to it when you get rid of it. Alright, because we need the end part. It's going to be his nose. We're actually going to make like a small bubble. Actually, small, about right there. About a 2 finger. Oops, we're losing it. Yeah, about right there. And pull these and tie out. Just like that. Go ahead and tie it again. And there's his nose. Alright? You're going to take this, you're going to feed it into one of them. You pick, and the one you pick is going to go on the underside of it. So you're going to pick, if you pick this one, it's going to go through here and come out here. Okay? So through it here and come out here. Okay? I'm just going to grab it from here and pull it out. So that's his nose. And you tuck the rest of it in there. So you have this. You can already see that it's turning into a face. Alright, we're going to go ahead and grab our red. And our reds have about a 4 finger tail. Both of our reds do. We're going to take this and wrap it around one of the ears. And just lock it in there. Okay? We're going to bring it up, find the top that you're going to, what's going to be the opposite of where you left that. So this is going to be the top. Alright? You're going to do the same thing like you did with the face. You go back and forth. So we're going to take that and just go all the way to the ear. Squeeze. And then pull it down. Back up. Okay. There's no need to twist it around that much. Just bring it back to the top. And you're going to bring it back around. So this next one is going to be a little bit taller than this one. So we're going to make it about like that. See, it's a little bit taller. Make sure you squeeze it. And then we're going to twist it into the ear. Alright, remember, just bring it around and bring it up to the top. So now we're going to go back to the other ear. Squeeze it. Alright, so this one's going to go between these 2 blushes. Okay, you're going to leave this gap for now. We're going to take it, make it shorter, than this one. You just go twist it around that ear and bring it around to the front, top. Okay. Now we can go ahead and fill in this spot. We're going to go ahead and pull this through, and it's going to be about the same size as that one. Take it over there and twist it into this ear. Alright? So now, just kind of arrange them so that they're sitting nice and tight together. So you should have something that looks like this. Okay. So now we can go ahead and get rid of this part. We don't need it anymore. And you can tie that off or just tuck it into his head. Like so. We have this. Alright. We're going to go ahead and do his white circle. Time to dry. So start and make a big white circle on the middle of that taller balloon. Just make a big white circle. Fill it in. Okay? You should have something that looks like this. Alright, so now we put this aside to let it dry. So now we can go ahead and start on the shirt and pants, or overalls. He wears overalls. Alright, so we're going to start with one arm, which is about 5 fingers. Okay? So we're going to put our fingers and then spread our thumb like that. And that's where we're going to twist it. Alright, so next we're going to make a bubble and pinch twist that. You're going to do it again. Make another bubble, pull it over, pull it out, and pinch twist that. Alright, so now it should be going down. Alright, you're going to make about a 3-finger flower petal. And we're going to twist that and lock it in place. So now it's going back this way. Alright, and we're going to do it the same size as we did this one. So do it about a 5-finger right there and twist it. And then go ahead and get rid of the rest. Make sure you're holding on to about 4 fingers of a tail, so you can tie it off. So, you can go ahead and cut that off if you need to. Arrange the pinch twist so they're flat and going like this. Okay? Next we're going to start on the blues. Okay? Kind of hold on to the red for a while. And we're going to make a big flower petal, about a 4-finger flower petal. Take the knot, twist it. And we're going to pull that through. And now we're going to make a small bubble. And pinch twist that. Alright. We're going to make about another 4 to 5-finger bubble. Make another small bubble. And pinch twist it. You should have that. Okay? Now you're going to take this part and wrap it around one of the arms. Okay? So I usually like to put the pinch twist, the red, on top of the pinch twist, and then wrap it. Okay? But you want it so it's close. So the blue is close to the red flower petal. Okay? With that squeeze, bring it through, around, and then you're going to twist it into that pinch twist. Alright, it's going this way. Alright? We're going to do the same thing with the other blue. Both of them are about a 4-finger tail. Okay. So now you're going to do the same thing you did with this one. And you're going to twist about a 4-finger flower petal. Pull that knot through. And then make a small bubble and pinch twist that. So now we're going to make another 4 to 5 finger bubble. Another bubble. Small bubble. And pinch twist that one. Okay? Let me try to get the blue out of this. You can see this one. Alright? So now we're going to do the same thing with this one. Let me try to get these there. So that this is on the red, is going to be on top of the blue. Just wrap it around. You want them tight, but you don't want them too tight that they're starting to squeeze the red. So now they should be facing each other after we fix them. So they're going to be facing each other. And they should be facing down. Alright, so they're kind of facing their opposite ways. You're going to take them and put them on the opposite pinch twist. If that makes sense. So like this one, you're going to take it and put it on this pinch twist right here. So just make about a 3 to 4 finger bubble and twist it around that pinch twist. We'll just leave it right there for now. Do the same thing for this one. Make sure you give them a nice squeeze. Then, once you've twisted them around, you can go ahead and get rid of these because you don't need them anymore. Alright, just let it go for now. Alright, you just kind of wrap it around and then just tuck it down there. You can now fix the legs. So that they're pointing forward. This needs to point down into those bubbles. So now it's like that. It should look like this. Alright? So now we've had plenty of time for our white to dry. So we're going to take that little piece of blush that we had, and we're going to twist that into the red pinch twist on the top. Pull it nice and taut. Right there. And then you're going to twist it around. You can kind of just tuck it back into the head if you need to. Or just kind of leave it there. It's just going to hide it. So there you go. If you need to, you can just take it to the back. Just kind of pop it like that, and it'll hide it. There. That's what we have so far. We're going to take our black, which you don't need very much of. So now we're going to take this and just lock it in place. And you're going to make 2 small bubbles on this side and 2 small bubbles on this side. Okay, make them about a ½ inch. Okay. So it looks like this. Now you're going to twist this part around the nose. Okay. So pull the nose out, twist it around, and then we're going to squeeze it and keep making the other two bubbles. Now we're going to twist this part into the ear. Pull the ear out. Squeaky. And you can go ahead and get rid of the rest of this. Alright, I'm just going to tuck that in somewhere. So it should look like this now. Okay? We're going to go ahead and take the white 260, which we did the same thing with the black. Okay? It's got a good long tail. We're just going to make about a 3-finger flower petal. And make 2 pinch twists. Like this. I'm going to take one of the knots of the red, and we'll twist it around. Alright? You can go ahead and get rid of this part, but hold on to it, because we're going to put it on the other side. Alright? So if you need to, just go ahead and blade it again. So just put his arm, his hand, glove part, like that. I'm going to go ahead and plate this again. Don't need much, about that much. Tie it off. You can actually tie it to the arm if you've done it like this. Tie it to the arm. When you make the 2 pinch twists, they should hide those. We're actually going to pull that red to the top, so when we make that flower petal, it'll hide it. Alright, we'll go ahead and get rid of this part. Arrange those. Hands look like this. Like this. Alright, now we can do the artwork on his face. So we can go ahead and start on the white that we let dry. It's just going to be an M. So it's just a... Come closer. Like that. We know how to draw an M. Just like that. Alright? And now, for the eyes, we're just going to draw a circle. Like that. And just fill in about half of it. Like so. And give him an eyebrow. Do the same thing over here. Fill in half of it. And give him an eyebrow. Now we can give him a little mouth. So he has a little corner smile. Like that. Okay, and there is Mario. If you like this design, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and push that bell so you get notified when I put out a new video. Okay? I'll see you guys next time. Bye.